CIET NCERT presents audiobook Maths Mela, textbook of mathematics for grade 4.
Page number 24. Chapter 2. Hide and Seek. On the top of the page, there is a QR code. Scanning the QR code will take you to the additional resources of the chapter. Where are you hiding? On the right side, there is an image of 4 friends, Jagat, Minnie, Bholu and Rani. Rani says, Jagat, all of you go and hide. I will find you. There are 4 boxes depicting 4 scenes. Scene 1. Jagat is hiding on a tree. Minnie is hiding behind the house. Bholu is hiding beside a plant pot. And Rani is searching all the kids. Scene 2. Jagat is looking from the top of the tree and Rani finds out Jagat. Scene 3. Rani finds out Bholu, who is hiding beside the pot. Scene 4. Minnie is standing behind Bholu and she is facing the Jagat who is sitting on the tree. Let us do. Question 1. As per the given pictures, answer the following questions. A. Which game are the children playing? B. Who is looking from the top? C. In scene 1, if Rani faces towards the hut, will she be able to see who all are hiding near the hut? Fill in the blank. Discuss. Page number 25. In scene 4, can Minnie see all the children playing the game? Discuss. Bholu is amazed to see how this tree looks from the top. Below, there are 2 pictures. The first picture is the top view of the tree. Bholu is sitting on the tree and clicking the picture. In the second picture, Jagat is standing in front of the tree and clicking the picture. Jagat has clicked a picture of a tree from the front. 2. Minnie, Bholu and Rani draw the same brick. Why are their drawings of the same brick different? Discuss. Below, there are images of different views of a brick. The first picture is of a brick. In the second picture, front view of the brick is given, which is Minnie's view of the brick. In the second picture, there is top view of the picture which is drawn by Bholu, and in the third picture, there is side view of the brick which is drawn by Rani, whose drawing shows the following views. Below it is a table comprising of 2 columns. Column 1, view of the brick drawing, and column 2, name of the child. Column 1, the top view, the front view, the side view. In column 2, students are supposed to write the name of the child. Note for teachers. Children may come up with different answers. Also, discuss with them the kinds of views present in the pictures. For example, top view, side view and front view. Page number 26. Question number 3. There are some pictures and students are supposed to name the objects. Also, write which view of the object is given. Below the question, there are 9 images and students are supposed to write the name and view of the image in the space given. Image 1, a TV. Image 2, a sofa. Image 3, a slipper. Image 4, lid of a tiffin box. Image 5, a school bus. Image 6, a wooden chair. Image 7, a hexagon with a circle in the center. Image 8, lid of a cooker. And image 9, a helmet. Page number 27. Question number 4. Jagat and Rani have made different drawings of the same objects. Match the views with the object. In the first box, side view and front view of a cube is given. In the second box, top view and front view of a prism is given. In the third box, front view and top view of a pyramid is given. Below the boxes are three solid shapes: pyramid, cube, and triangular prism. Try to make drawings of objects such as chairs, tables, pencils, erasers, birthday cap, and bottle from different views. Boxy buildings. Jagat and Minnie are playing. They are making different buildings using empty matchboxes and making their drawings from different views. On the bottom of the page, a matchbox building image is given, and below it, the front view, the back view, and the top view of the building are given. Now, you can also collect empty matchboxes or any other empty boxes to create different buildings and draw their top, side, and front views. You can challenge your friends by asking them to match your drawing with the right building. Page number 28. Cat finds Jagat. The next day, the 5 friends go to school feeling excited as it is an activity day. Jagat's pet cat follows him to school. The cat sits on the window and tries to find Jagat. In the middle of the page, there is an image of a classroom. There is a window on the back side of the classroom on which the cat is sitting. There is a teacher table in the front and there are 3 rows, each having 3 desks. In the left-hand side row, on the first bench, there is a boy sitting with the blue bag. In the second row, there is a girl sitting on the first desk. There is a boy sitting on the second desk and a red bottle is kept on the table. On the third desk, there is a girl sleeping on the table and a notebook is kept there. In the third row, which is at the rightmost corner, Jagat is sitting on the first desk and a blue bottle is kept on the table. On the second desk, a girl is sitting and on the third desk, a boy is sitting. Let us do. Jagat's cat finds him sitting on the third desk in first row. Point 1. Mark Jagat's position in the picture. Point 2. Describe the position of the blue bag. Point 3. What is on the middle desk of the second row? Fill in the blank. Point 4. Where is the notebook kept? The first desk in the second row or the middle desk in the third row? Point 5. Draw an apple on the third desk of the second row. Page number 29. Grid game. In the center of the page, there are 2 pictures. In the first picture, Rani is sitting in front of a 3x3 grid on the floor. On the bottom row and the left corner of the grid, a football is placed. Rani is holding a bottle in her hand and is going to place it in the second column of the bottom row. Some objects like eraser, pencil, and an apple are placed around the grid. Rani says, "Come, let us play." In the second picture, Bholu is sitting with a 3x3 grid drawn on the table. Rani says, "Bholu, now you have to draw the objects in the grid by following my clues. Draw the ball at the bottom left corner." Bholu, "Okay, it is the first row and first column." Here are the clues given by Rani to fill the grid. Point 1. An eraser at the top right corner. Point 2. A pencil in the top left corner. Point 3. An apple in the middle of the second row and second column. Point 4. A water bottle in the third row and second column. On the right side, there is a 3 into 3 grid with row 1, 2 and 3 and columns 1, 2 and 3. In the first row and first column, the football is placed. Note for teachers. Let the children play the grid game in the class. They can draw the grid on the table or on the floor. They can place different objects at different positions of the grid.
Page number 30. Grid game. Treasure hunt. In this game, one player has to think of an object from the grid and help the other player locate it. Let's see how Jagat and Mini are playing. We can find a grid provided here, which is 4 by 4. The first grid has a car and the first row, fourth column has a flower. The second row has a mango in the third column and the second column, third row has a cat. Whereas the fourth column, fourth row has a orange. There is an entry from fourth row, first column. Jagat, have you thought of the object? Mini is asking Jagat. Mini takes 4 steps to the right from the starting point. Is it an orange? Mini is asking. Jagat says, you are 3 steps away. Mini takes 2 steps to the left and 1 step upwards. She reaches the dash mark Mini's position on the grid. In the fourth picture, now you are still 2 steps away, Jagat says to Mini. What object did Jagat think of? Note for teachers. How to play. There are objects placed in a 4 by 4 grid. The first player helps the second player to reach the object he or she has thought of by giving clues. The players can move up, down, left or right. No diagonal movements are allowed. Children can play this game in pairs. Let student write or speak about the paths. Provide them with prompts, oblique questions, oblique fillers, such as from the starting point, I moved dash steps left oblique right. Then I moved dash steps up oblique down and so on.
Page number 31. On the right corner of the page, there is a 4 by 4 grid with 4 rows and 4 columns. On the most bottom row, the start point is marked. In the first row, fourth column, an orange is placed. In the second row, second column, a cat is placed. In the third row, third column, a mango is placed. And in the topmost row, first column, a car is placed. And in the same row, fourth column, a flower is placed. Play the game with your partner. From the starting point, trace the paths to reach the flower. How many steps are required for each path? Speak out or write down the different paths followed to reach the flower. From the starting point, where would you reach in a smaller number of steps, the mango or the orange? Drone around the school. Gyan has got a drone to show her friends. A drone can take pictures while flying. On the right hand side, a picture of a drone is given. And in the bottom, a top view of the school building is given. Mini. Wow, isn't it our school? So green and beautiful. Yes, our school has walls made of red bricks. Circle the places or things that are given in the picture and write their names. Page number 32. Preet's elder sister has made a site map of the school. You can easily locate grade 4 on the map. Trace the path from the grade 4 classroom to the stage. In the middle of the page, there is a site map of the school given. Starting from the main road, there is a service lane, and in the left hand side, there is the entrance gate. In front of the entrance gate, there is principal office and a hall is attached to it. On the left, there is parking for students, library, IT room and parking for staff. Behind the principal office is a playground and a stage attached to it. On the right side of the playground is the sports room and the medical room. On the right hand side of the building is the MDM kitchen attached with 3 classrooms, grade 4 classroom and 1 other room. On the right side of the principal office, there is a park. And in front of the park, there are 5 classrooms of middle wing. How many routes were you able to find? Fill in the blank. You may use different color pencils to trace the different routes. Which is the shortest route? How do you know? The water delivery man has turned left from the entrance. Help him reach MDM kitchen by telling him the route. Write the directions below. Rajat is not feeling well. Which way will you choose to take him to the medical room from the library? After the assembly in the playground, Bholu must go to the IT room and Rani has to go to the sports room. Trace their paths. Which way is longer? Page number 33. Let us do project work. Draw a site map to show the way from your school entrance to your classroom and any other important places. Below the question, blank space is given for students to draw the site map. Chapter 2 ends here.
Maths Mela. You were just listening to this audiobook, textbook of mathematics for grade 4. Narration Renu Gupta. Sound recordist Prasoon Kumar. Production assistant Arshad Ahmed. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.